Mark this. There will be terrible times in the last days. People will be lovers of themselves, lovers of money, proud, abortion, financial pressure, sex trafficking, drunk, immorality, lovers of God, having a form of godliness, but denying its power.
A crisis is coming and is here in our time and our generation.
Sin and compromise in our nation, our church, and our very lives.
But a revolution is also coming, a light in the darkness.
The greatest revival in history.
God, passionate for transformed people.
To whom will you pledge your allegiance?
He's consumed with zeal. Are you ready?